Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Randy Chambliss with Louisiana Housing Authority, and today we're going to discuss what is foreclosure. But before we do so, make sure you click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because I post real estate information like this all the time and you don't want to miss it. So what is foreclosure? Well, very simple. A foreclosure is a legal process that the lender will use to collect the balance owed on the mortgage. When a borrower actually stops making the payments, they actually sell the asset that's been held as collateral. In other words, when you purchase your home, at that closing table, you sign which is called a promissory note and also a mortgage deed, right? So the promissory note basically gives you the terms of the loan. The mortgage deed basically states what's going to happen in case that you default on the loan, right? And so those two documents are two different documents. I have another video that I encourage you to take a look at and watch that give you a better explanation of what's the difference between a promissory note and also a mortgage. In addition to that, in regards to this particular video, when the borrower is in default, they stop making their payments for whatever reason, then the foreclosure process begins. It starts, right? And as that process moves on, at some point in Louisiana, I'm referring to right now, at some point it's going to go to a court. It's going to go to the judge, because we're in a judicial foreclosure state. Particularly, we use executory process in our foreclosure. And I give you some more details of what's the difference between a non-judicial and a judicial state, and also what is executory process in Louisiana, right? So I encourage you to watch that video as well. That's going to give you some more details. But for this particular video, we're just going to keep it simple. Once that borrower is behind on their mortgage payment, they're not making the payments, they're in default, that mortgage servicer, the trustee, will go down to the court and they will actually get a judgment. A notice of sale is called, to move forward with the sheriff sale auction, right? And now at that point, once they have that notice of sale, usually that same exact day that they go down and actually file that judgment, now that following month or so, 90 days or so, it's going to have a sheriff sale, right? And at that sheriff sale, if there is a person or investor or somebody working on behalf of some type of entity, if they purchase that property by the auction, then they become the new owner. If nobody purchased their property or wins the bid at the auction, then the property goes to the mortgage lender, right? And once the mortgage lender has possession of it, now it becomes a REO, a real estate owned property. So that is what a foreclosure is. I hope that information was helpful to you. We would love to be able to help you to avoid, prevent, and even stop foreclosure. So give my team a call, visit us online, and let's schedule a free foreclosure prevention consultation. See you guys in the next video. Have a great day on purpose. Take care.